We will be continuing our discussion with soil pollution. How is soil polluted? Due to the industrial waste, agricultural waste, domestic waste, and also the insecticides, pesticides and herbicides. They cause soil pollution. Pesticides, that is prior to Second World War, that is before Second World War, nicotine was used to control pests. These tobacco plants were grown along with the crops and they were used in controlling the pests. That is some insects that cause diseases in plants. Later on, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, that is abbreviated as DDT, it was used to control malaria and also some of the diseases that are caused by some insects. And later on, this DDT was used in agricultural operations also, that is used to control. It was used to control insects, rodents, weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants that grow along with the cultivated plants and they cause damage to the crops and various crop diseases. This DDT was used as an insecticide that later on they used even for agricultural activities also. But this DDT has severe impact on the environment. It causes severe damage to the environment. Moreover, these insects have developed resistance to this DDT. So later on, what happened? This new pesticides have come into the environment. For example, you see here aldrin and dieldrin. These are the pesticides now available in the market. These are organic toxins. They are water insoluble and non-biodegradable, and also they are persistent. They remain in the environment for a long period of time because they are non-biodegradable. They do not decompose by biological activity. So it is persistent organic toxins. They remain in the environment for longer duration, and these toxins, moreover, what is happening? They are transferred from lower trophic level to higher trophic level through food chain. This is a very important point. Through the food chain, these toxins or these chemical substances are transferred from one organism to another organism. As a result, what happens? The concentration over time, as time passes on, the concentration of toxins in higher animals reach a level which cause serious metabolic and physiological disorders. So these chemical substances transferred or passed from one organism to another organism, or from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. That is what we mean by trophic level. Each step in a food chain is called trophic level. From lower trophic level to higher trophic level through food chain. Over time, the concentration of toxins in higher animals reach a level which cause serious metabolic and physiological disorders. Lower trophic to higher trophic level is represented diagrammatically. See at molecular level. Aquatic plants, they reach these chemicals reach the aquatic plants, from aquatic plants to small fish to large fish to largest fish. Then later humans are at a higher level in the food chain, higher trophic level. So at each trophic level, the pollutant gets 10 times concentrated. You see here. The increase in the concentration of chemical substances from one trophic level to another trophic level, higher trophic level, that is the next trophic level, that is called biological magnification. Biological magnification, that you learn in 10th class. The increase in the concentration of chemical substances from one trophic level to another trophic level. See here, at each trophic level, the pollutant gets 10 times concentrated, and who is occupying the higher portion in the trophic level? Humans here. So when it reaches human beings, the concentration of these chemical substances increases, which causes severe health disorders, metabolic and physiological disorders. The increase in the concentration of chemical substances from one trophic level to another trophic level is called biological magnification. Later on, what happened? Nowadays, less persistent or which remain in the environment for a short period of time are more biodegradable products called organophosphates and carbamates. They are introduced in the market, but they are nerve toxins. They are nerve toxins and they are more harmful to human beings. Later on, nowadays, this pesticide industry has shifted its attention to herbicides. Herbicides, for example, you see here, sodium chlorate, sodium arsenite, they are herbicides. So this pesticide industry has shifted its attention to herbicides, which are somewhat better than this chemical substances. These are also chemicals. Sodium chlorate and sodium arsenite, they are herbicides. The shift from mechanical weed control to chemical weed control had provided the industry with a flourishing economic market. That is, from mechanical weed, we use it to remove the weeds mechanically. Later on, we are using chemical substances. This shift from mechanical weed control to chemicals, by using chemicals we are controlling these weeds, had provided the industry with a flourishing economic market, but it has severe impact on the health of the plants as well as human beings and also animals also. Okay? See here, what do you mean by biological magnification? The increase in the concentration of chemical substances from one trophic level to another trophic level is called biological magnification. At each trophic level, the pollutant gets 10 times concentrated. 10 times concentrated. This increase in the concentration is called biological magnification. Nowadays, less persistent or more biodegradable products called organophosphates and carbamates. Organocarbamates are introduced into the market, but they are severe nerve toxins and they are more harmful to humans. This pesticide industry has shifted its attention to herbicides. For example, sodium chlorate and sodium arsenate, these are the herbicides. Please take a screenshot, we will be continuing this. Arsenite. They are toxic to mammals, but they are not persistent. They do not remain in the environment for a long duration of time. As organochlorides, they decompose in few months. But like organochlorides, these herbicides are also, their concentration of herbicides have been increased in the food web. What do you mean by food web? Each organism has eat several other food items. These organisms are linked through food web. These organisms are linked through what? Food web. Okay? You know food web, you know this in biology, food web. These herbicides cause birth defects and cornfields. Cornfields sprayed with herbicides are easily attacked by insects. They are more prone to insect attack when they are sprayed with the herbicides. So studies have shown that the fields of corn, when sprayed with herbicides, get easily attacked by insects. That is the problem here. So here, the concentration of these herbicides have been increased in the food web. So in biology, you know food chain and food web. Industrial waste. Now coming to industrial waste, this industrial waste, they are classified as biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste are produced from cotton mills, food processing units, paper mills. Non-biodegradable waste, they are produced from thermal power plants, that is the fly ash from thermal power plants, and iron and steel industries, slag, that is the waste or the impurities. Fertilizer industries, they produce gypsum. pharmaceutical industries, dyes, pesticides, rubber goods, all these industries produce some waste which pollutes the soil. So here herbicides are toxic to mammals but are not persistent, but they do not remain in the environment as organochlorides. They decompose in few months, but concentration of these herbicides have increased in the food web. These herbicides also cause birth defects in animals and also even in human beings also. Corn fields sprayed with herbicides, they are easily attacked by insects. Studies have shown that the fields of corn when sprayed with insects get easily attacked by insects. And now coming to industrial waste. Industrial waste are classified as biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste are produced from cotton mills, food processing units, paper mills. Non-biodegradable waste, they are produced from thermal power plants, that is the fly ash, iron and steel. They release slag or they generate slag, which are impurities, gypsum from fertilizer industries, some pharmaceutical industries, dyes, pesticides, rubber goods. There is so much to add to our discussion, but all this we cannot discuss. Please take a screenshot, we will continue our discussion. The disposal of non-biodegradable or non-degradable industrial waste, if not done by a proper and suitable method, may cause serious threat to the environment. New innovations have led to different use of waste material. For example, you see here fly ash from thermal power plant and fly ash from slag from the steel industry. They are utilized by the cement industry. And also you see here large quantities of toxic waste are usually destroyed by controlled incineration. What do you mean by incineration? Incineration. The wastes are converted to ash. By heating this waste at high temperature. This process is called incineration. Whereas small quantities they are burnt along with the factory garbage in open bins. Large quantities by the process of incineration, that is they are converted to ash. Whereas the small quantities they are burnt along with factory garbage in open bins. Please take a screenshot and we continue our discussion. Strategies to control environment pollution, that is waste management. The improper disposal of waste is one of the major causes of environmental degradation. So this is well known to us. Therefore, management of waste is of utmost importance. The improper disposal of waste is one of the major causes of environmental degradation. So waste should be treated properly. You see here, collection and disposal, how the waste are collected and disposed. Domestic waste, they are transferred to small bins. From small bins to community bins by some municipal workers or municipal workers. Domestic waste are thrown into the small bins. From there to community bins, from community bins to disposable sites. At this disposable site, these wastes are segregated as biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste, they are converted to compost. Non-biodegradable waste such as plastics, glass, metal scraps, they are recycled. And the poor management of waste results in epidemic diseases. The disease will spread all of a sudden, and also it contaminates the groundwater. It contaminates the groundwater, and it is very hazardous to the rag pickers and also workers who are in direct contact with this waste. Who are in direct contact with this waste. You see here, this domestic waste first thrown into the reaches the small bins. They are transferred to the small bins, from small bins to community bins, from community bins to disposable sites. Disposable site. From there to disposable site, they are segregated as biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. You have small bins, means you have blue bin and red bins, and from there this waste is collected to the transferred to the community bins. Community bins. All these waste are put into community bins. From community bins they reach the disposable site. At this disposable site they are segregated as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste converted to compost. Non-biodegradable waste, that is the plastic, glass, metal scraps, are sent for recycling. They are sent for the recycling. And also poor management of waste results in epidemics. Their diseases will spread all of a sudden, and also it contaminates the groundwater. And drinking this contaminated groundwater also results in severe diseases. And it is very hazardous to the rag pickers and workers who are in direct contact with this waste. Who are in direct contact with this waste. Please take a screenshot. We will be continuing our discussion.